India is a land of diversity where every corner offers a snapshot of its rich culture and history. At the pinnacle of this breathtaking experience is the Taj Mahal in Agra, an architectural masterpiece that glistens under the sun. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, while renowned for its stunning white marble, also resonates with stories of love and legacy that transcend time, making it a must visit for every traveler. Venture towards Goa, a vibrant state on the coast known for its stunning beaches and electrifying nightlife. The soft sands and azure waters welcome relaxation, while the bustling markets and chapels reflect a unique fusion of Portuguese and Indian heritage. As the sun sets, beach parties come alive, creating an unforgettable ambiance that draws visitors from around the globe. A journey through the land often leads to the majestic forts and palaces of Jaipur, Rajasthan, affectionately called the Pink City. Its historical charm and colorful bazaars bustle with life, where artisans showcase their crafts. The Grand Amer Fort and the intricate Hawa Mahal are testaments to the artistic prowess of a bygone era, inviting visitors to marvel and immerse themselves in its splendor. Kerala's allure lies in its serene backwaters and lush green hills. A houseboat ride in Alati reveals tranquil waters framed by palm trees, while Munnar enchants with sprawling tea plantations that stretch toward the horizon. This idyllic landscape invites nature lovers to relax in its embrace, savoring its peaceful charm. In the heart of Uttar Pradesh, Varanasi emerges as the holiest city for Hindus. The ghats lining the Ganges River bustle with life as pilgrims wash away their sins and seek spiritual solace. The mesmerizing sight of the evening aarti captures the essence of Indian spirituality and culture, a visual feast that etches itself into the heart. Leh Ladakh presents a dramatic contrast with its rugged terrain, Buddhist monasteries, and pristine lakes. Here, adventure beckons, from trekking to biking across the majestic Himalayas, each experience unveiling the untouched beauty of this enchanted region. Delhi, the heartbeat of India, pulsates with history. Its historical monuments juxtapose with the vibrant street life, showcasing the essence of modern-day India amid its storied past. Udaipur enchants with its shimmering lakes and romance, while the Golden Temple in Amritsar radiates an aura of peace and spirituality, drawing visitors from all walks of life. Finally, the tea gardens of Darjeeling offer breathtaking views of the majestic Himalayas, creating a picturesque setting that invites tranquility. Together, these 10 destinations encapsulate the rich tapestry of India, reflecting its cultural diversity, rich heritage, and stunning landscapes.